Here are best 10 finance marketing strategies for 2025. You cannot ignore this. Therefore, take a pen and note the following down. Thank me later. 1. User-generated content, that is UGC. 2. YouTube ads. 3. Is AI chatbot. 4. Influencer marketing strategies stroke platforms. 5. Email marketing platforms. 6. SMS marketing. 7. Social media search marketing. 8. AI tech with personalized marketing. Now let's start with user-generated content, which I've said is UGC. Now remember, this UGC, which is the user-generated content, actually is mostly liked with content, is mostly used by content creators. Remember, when a content creator uses the UGC, this is a new area in marketing and business and finance. This content creator actually brings customers organically by also marketing his products, or not only his, also by, let's say, marketing a brand of a given company or marketing the product of a given company. Therefore, while he or she as a content creator in UGC can make a lump sum or big amount of money, because this area of investment in UGC, area of marketing and finance strategy, is also a big area of making good cash, not only here in Kenya but also in the States. Now, if you're into content creation and also into AI and ChatGPT, I'm sure this is a good one for you. And also remember, while you are using the UGC, okay, you can send multiple of invoices to your business clients, so that these clients can make a deal with you and also strike a contract out of business in terms of marketing their business in order to make good marketing ideas and also good marketing strategies. Now, let's go to YouTube ads. Remember, everyone nowadays are always at the touch of their hands have access to YouTube. And remember, when you access a YouTube channel, you find like this one and others that you have actually watched earlier, you find that, or before, find that always these YouTube have ads running, either in the start of the video or in the middle, or let's say at the end of the video. And you find that digital marketers use the YouTube ads to reach massive customers globally. And therefore, if you are into investments as a digital marketer, I'm sure YouTube ads are best area of investment, in order this area can fetch you a lot of dollars and a lot of money. Now, also remember, these YouTube ads are best option for videos. You can define that these YouTube ads, I'm sure for those who are creating content, these YouTube ads are a good way of making money and also increasing, also shaping or moving or growing a financial independency and financial freedom. Okay, and remember, YouTube ads also working. Also, you can get a YouTube ads also work in hand with certain brands and also certain companies in order to push their business in terms of ads, not in YouTube. Okay. Now let's go to AI chatbot. AI chatbot. Now, an AI chatbot is an AI generated way of selling a brand, or let's say selling or marketing a business. You find that AI chatbots are mainly using globally to make sales. Okay. Yes, these AI chatbots are mainly used globally to make sales. And also, remember, in the coming years 2025, you find that these AI chatbots will always be used with big brands and big companies which are majoring in selling and promoting their products and brands. Okay. Now, what are the best merits or things that you can get out of chatbots. These chatbots offer the following. They offer best position experience in business. Also, these chatbots suggest specific products to a client or let's say a customer. Also, these chatbots they can also be used to send reminders to a specific client or customer in order to get the customer to buy or purchase a product. And also remember that these chatbots also can set a questionnaires of questions, whereby these questionnaires can be sent to the client, so this client can answer these questionnaires, and so that he or she can check if this product that he or she is about to buy is suit according to his preferences and likes. Okay. Also, this chatbot can be used to set variety of goals in terms of investments and achievements in marketing and finance. Okay, now let's get going. Now remember also, chatbots are used by different social media platforms. For example, the messenger in Facebook. Also, you find the telegrams. Also, you find the WhatsApp. That I'm sure 80-90% of the entire globally, 80% people are using WhatsApp and also Telegram. I find that these chatbots are used mostly in this platform to send and to advertise their businesses and brands globally. Now also, let's go to influencer marketing strategies, or let's say platform. Now, I'm sure when you look at your television, or let's say, I know most of you don't watch TV nowadays. I'm sure most of you don't watch TV, but only a few individuals do. But I'm sure 80% of Gen Z and millennials, that is, will view and use their mobile phones or the laptop or the tablet or the computers to check ongoing trends in terms of products and brands. Okay, in order to, when they are making a purchase of anything of their choice or that meets their preference. Now I find that these influencers mostly are used to market different brands and different products. Mostly these have been used in 2024, and I'm sure these will also be used in the coming years, 2025, as we go to 2026 to the future. And I'm sure influencers will be used also. Influencers will also use the AI to promote certain brands of a given company or a given business. Now, like in Kenya here, actually, like for example, the most influencers that have been used to market and promote businesses and brands, the likes of Tom Daktari, you have Murimi, the actress, and this one fine lady that is always has the great humor and great influential aspect in terms of brand promotion. She's called Mamito. Also, I'm not promoting any of these influencers. That is, I'm just trying to tell you that influencers are the best people that will be used in the coming years to promote different business, okay, and these different brands, because when these influencers are used not only in Kenya or in Africa but also in the States, when that these influencers tend to fetch a lot of viewers, especially millions of viewers, when they grab a product to do market and also to promote. Okay, therefore, if you're into a business, check out for these influencers. I'm sure you won't regret in the coming years, 2025. Okay, good. Also, you find that these influencers, these influencers can fetch you a lot of money in your business, and I'm sure when you look into these influencers, you won't regret that is. Now let's look at email marketing platforms, okay, or let's call them niche email marketing. Let's call it niche email marketing. Now, when you hear the term niche is like talking about a theme or a topic. Find that especially in content creation and YouTube here, actually most content creators have made billions and millions of money out of YouTube. That is, they have actually used the email listing strategies, whereby they check the emails and also they send their customers to their specific emails, so that they can also grow let's say their online courses, also grow their inventing businesses with their customers, especially their subscribers, and find that when these content creators or YouTube content creators use the email marketing platforms, they are best in making huge amount of millions in terms of their business and in terms of their brand promotions. Okay, that's why you have said most of them sell their courses or online courses via the emails. Okay, and this fetches them lump sum and huge amounts of money in terms of business and finance. Therefore, if you are into content creation and you are also doing business, I'm sure you need to check out these emails. You do email listing in your content, I'm sure you'll get a lot of customers organically, and when you do so, you grow your business online and also offline. I'm sure email listing is the best approach in terms of promoting your business, and is the best approach in terms of linking you with your esteemed clients. Okay, now let's go to SMS marketing. Now with SMS marketing, find that SMS marketing, big brands and big businesses tend to use these SMS platforms in order to draw traffic to their business. And also you find that this SMS marketing is a good marketing tool. Okay, a good marketing tool when you do your business, tracking your business, and also when you do your business promotion. Okay, now let's go to social media search marketing. Social media search marketing. Now, when you find that with content creation, with content consumption, find that 80 or 90% researchers that 80 or 90% of those who are consuming content today are the Gen Z or the millennials. That's why I find that most Gen Z nowadays tend to grasp most of their content, most of their ideas out of social media platforms, especially in TikTok. Find that TikTok have a great search engine, or the SEO, where the TikToks tend to roll out their searching ads in terms of in terms of business, brands, and products. And most of these Gen Zs, or most of these millennials today actually grabs ideas of products out of TikTok, and therefore nowadays people don't tend to Google products, but they tend to use TikTok, and they find that it is easy to search and to get required products and brands and companies in terms of investment, in terms of products purchase out of TikToks. Okay, out of TikTok search engine. Now, you find that in the coming years, in 2025 and in the future, I'm sure social media search marketing strategies and platforms will be used most, not only by the Gen Z, but also by the millennials and the individuals that will be found in the coming years or in the future. Now, social media marketing is also a good way of promoting or searching for any product or promoting your brand. Okay, especially in TikTok and in Instagram and Facebook. Now, but TikTok does it best because it has the highest search engine, all the SEO. Now, let's go to AI tech with personalized marketing. AI tech or technology. AI technology with personalized marketing. Now, I find that there's something called VAR. Your VAR is actually where you view something. Okay, you view something in a gadget on your eyes, and as shown here. Now, we find that the individual or the customer tends to view the product in real scenario or in real time, so that he or she can make a purchase of a product with regard to his suit standards or suit preference and experience. And therefore, I'm sure in the coming years, 2025 and in future, the AI technology with the personalized marketing, this is the best way that we used by product managers and product sales companies and brands to sell their products in the coming years. And I'm sure with these set AI tech personalized marketing strategies, most products will be sold easily, and it will be easy. It will be the easiest way to access products like, let's say, tech gadgets, or let's say mortgage or houses, or let's say also cars, okay, or let's say a cloth line or a fashion or a trending cloth line, a trending fashion or a trending tech gadget or a trending house way of design, and find that this tech VAR personalized marketing will be used mostly in the coming years. Okay, now that's all, and I'm sure this video has helped you a lot. This video has helped you a lot in terms of marketing and finance and business. And before we wrap up this video, actually, thanks for watching. If you have reached the end of this video, you are such an amazing person, as I said always. Then if you have not subscribed, please take this time to hit the smash the like button, and also subscribe. It won't hurt a fly. I'm sure when you do that, that will be of great help to me and to others, and to me actually, as and my team as content creators, whereby we're doing our research and doing our best to give you the best, okay, in terms of finance, business, investments, and life growth into financial freedom and independence. Till next time, guys, bye bye.